Looking for a home, need someone who cares. Tijuana's the realtor who's always there.
Welcome into the Redwood model home built by Empire Homes in Camellia Gardens. Come on in. This is a big boy. So over 3,800 square feet. It offers anywhere from 4 to 6 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. You have a rec room, an option for a covered porch. This property starts at $667,000. This is considered the Elms collection, and you have a minimum design option fee of $75,000. So this house can easily start in the 800,000s. But when I tell you well put together, you just wait and see. I had the privilege of selling one of these to a repeat client of mine in one of the Gastonia communities, and they absolutely love their house. This is a great entertaining house, wonderful for families, a growing family. So much detail, archways, columns, just beautiful. Very nice open kitchen with this extra seating, farm style sink, a little breakfast nook, walk-in pantry, gas cooktop, microwave, and oven on the wall, recessed lighting, surround sound throughout, heavy molding throughout, these nice coffered ceilings in this elegant formal dining room with this archway and column entry, just reeks elegance. On the main level, you have a laundry room with built-in cabinets and fold-in counters. Those are upgrades. Right off of that, you have your drop zone area. You have this open family room with the built-in book cases and drawers, a nice gas fireplace underneath the television. These light fixtures are so beautiful throughout. Very, very nice. The primary suite is conveniently located on the main level. The walk-in closet is massive. Oversized shower with all the upgrades in this primary bathroom. If you're looking for luxury, you found it in the Redwood. This is it. We're gonna go upstairs here shortly. This house has tons of molding. This builder is only releasing 5 lots per month. Once these lots are released, all interested parties will be able to bid on the lots. The lot premiums are anywhere from $5,000 to $50,000. You put 4% down for earnest money deposit, which is credited back to you at closing. As you come up the stairs and enter into the second level of this beautiful home, you are greeted with a oversized bonus room. You step up into this bonus room, and this bonus room offers space galore. This can be a movie room. This can be an exercise room. It could be actually another bedroom because you do have an option to have a closet in here. This room is another room that has endless possibilities. You can make it what you choose to make it. This open space has been utilized perfectly. They've actually put in built-in desks to make it a workstation, but it can be a sitting area. It could be used for art, whatever you want. That is the beauty of this home. You can be as creative as you like. Here is another secondary bedroom that has a walk-in closet and its own private bathroom. Who wouldn't love this? Here is bathroom number 3, shared with bedrooms 4 and 5. Dual sinks. This builder gives you the option to change your cabinet colors. So you can have your kitchen cabinets one color and your bathroom cabinets a different color. And each bathroom could have its own unique cabinet colors. Bedrooms are spacious. Bedroom 4 has this nice little nook in the corner. It can be a sitting area. You can put your vanity over here for the young ladies. You can put a chase lounge, perfect for reading and meditating. Here is the smallest bedroom out of those bedrooms on the second level, but still very spacious. Could easily house a queen size bedroom suite. This was an amazing day, a great tour of this beautiful home. And so I say to anyone who is in the market of wanting to purchase a brand new home in this phenomenal community, reach out to me. 704-777-1793. This builder, I tell you, I stand behind this builder. I have sold several homes for Empire Homes as well as for Shea Homes. So they really build a great product. You will not be disappointed. So give me a call. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this tour.
You want us to name you.